Hello Atomy family, and welcome to our evening care 4-set tutorial. Here we have the deep cleanser, foam cleanser, peeling gel and peel off mask, all just in one package. I will be talking you through each step to ensure you get the best results. The first step to this skincare is the deep cleanser. This gently removes dirt from your pores, keeping the skin clean and provides vitality to the skin. You want to lather the cleanser onto your face with either a cotton pad or your hands, and rub gently. The deep cleanser has ginseng and ginkgo biloba extract to keep the skin nice and firm. It also includes green tea extract to even out your skin tone, as well as keeping your skin clean and clear. You then want to wipe off the product with a warm wet towel or cotton pad. You can use this daily, as the carrot extract and tocopherol acetate provides nutrients to the skin, resulting in a moisturised and glossy finish. Secondly, use the foam cleanser to remove all the impurities like dirt and makeup from your skin. All you need to do is add some water to your hands and face and lather it up like so to produce foam. Make sure to massage thoroughly onto your face, as the triglyceric acid helps remove dead skin cells to reveal the newer and smoother looking skin layers underneath. Finally, just rinse off with warm water to feel the full effects of the beta-glucan moisturising agent, as it helps soothes and calms irritated skin. Use this once a day to be left with super soft skin. Next is the peeling gel. The citrus grandis, also known as grapefruit, smells great whilst applying this onto your face. All you need to do is ensure your face is completely dry. Apply it all over your face while steering well clear of your eyes and mouth. Simply wait 2 to 3 minutes for the willow bark extract to gently remove the dead skin cells from your skin without causing that horrible irritation. Once the time is over, rub your skin in a circular motion to remove the dead skin cells, which you should be able to feel and see. Use this product once to twice a week to achieve the full moisturising effects. And finally, the peel off mask. Now, this is a fun little ending, as the dirt is absorbed by the mask. Make sure your face is completely dry, then apply a generous layer over your face, of course avoiding the eye area, and let it dry fully before peeling off. And whilst we wait for the mask to dry, did you know that the peel off mask actually contains jade and amethyst powder? Now that your mask is dried, simply find a section and fully peel it off your face. How satisfying, right? Now that you've finished your entire evening care set routine, your skin should feel brand new. I know it definitely makes my skin feel super fresh and clean every time I use it, as what's great about this product is that you feel the results instantly. So, go and try it out, and let us know in the comment section how it made your skin feel. We hope this helped you, and we will see you again very soon with another tutorial. Bye guys!